Hey pioneers, ready to withdraw Pi coins from Pi Network to Binance? Today, I'll show you how to do this step by step. Let's dive in. First, ensure your Pi Network account is KYC verified in the Pi app. Then, log into Binance and complete identity verification if you haven't already. Confirm Pi coin is listed on Binance. As of February 2025, it's expected to be available soon. Check Binance's asset lists or announcements for updates. Next up, open the Pi browser app, go to your wallet and select Pay or Request. Choose Manually Add Wallet Address, copy your Binance Pi wallet address from Binance's deposit section, paste it and enter the Pi amount and hit Send. Confirm the transaction. Wait a minute for the transfer to reflect in your Binance account, and once it's there, you can trade Pi for USDT or other assets. Be mindful of fees though, because Pi transfers cost 0.01 Pi and Binance withdrawals vary. Double check wallet addresses to avoid scams and only use official platforms and avoid unofficial sites claiming to trade Pi. That's it guys, you're ready to withdraw Pi to Binance. Follow Pi Network updates for the latest and like and subscribe and let us know your thoughts below.